Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I transformed this wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So this is the unit, and as you can see, it's very yellow. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Vaseline. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply it all over my lace frontal. So when I color my wig, the color will not seep through the lace and mess up my lace. So here are the colors that I'm going to be using. I'm taking the dark intense brown hair color and I'm going to apply that to the roots, and then I'm going to take the light blonde hair color and I'm apply it everywhere else. And I use this 10 volume developer. I'm not really like a professional or anything, so all I did was I read the instructions inside the box. So I use this mixing bowl and I put the light blonde on one side and then I put my root color on the other side. So I separated the hair and I'm just going to start from the back, and I'm using the light blonde color and applying it from the back, working my way up to the top. Okay, so once I get up to like the top area, about right here, I want to start adding some of that dark root. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm adding like some of the dark hair color to the top, and then I'm using the light blonde for the rest of the hair. So this is how everything looked once I finished, and I basically just let it sit there for about 30 minutes, I believe. And then I went and washed the hair, and I also used my Shimmer Lights conditioner shampoo to take out any brassness that might be still in there. And then I finished washing and conditioning, and this is how it looked. So now it's time for me to cut the hair, but first I want to flat iron it so I can get it really straight before I start cutting it. So I want a bob, but I want my back short. So all I'm doing here is separating the sides. That's going to be the long part. And I'm going to work on the back. I really didn't want like a whole bunch of layers in the back of the hair. I just wanted like something that was going to be easy for me to hurry up and curl in the morning to go to work. So all I'm doing here is just like making sure everything is like, to my liking in the back. I tried on the wig and it was just way too long in the back. So all I did was I took some rubber bands and I sectioned off the front part, and then I put a rubber band in the back of my hair where I wanted to stop at. so I know how much to cut. So I'm just showing you guys that. So now that I have like the perfect length for the back, I'm going to take my razor comb and I'm just going to thin out that back area because I don't like my bobs like thick at all. So yeah, so that's all I'm doing right here. And then I curled the hair a little just to see how the back was looking, and this is perfect. This is the look that I was going for. Like I said, I didn't want like a whole bunch of layers. This is exactly the look that I'm going for. So yeah. Okay, so about 3 days later, your girl decided that, you know, it was time to install this wig. You know, I'm in quarantine, there's nothing to do. I was bored and it was like really late at night. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my sea breeze and I'm going to make sure I don't have any dirt, oil, or makeup on my skin where I'm going to be applying my lace. Next, I'm taking my skin protector and I'm just going to apply it in front of my hairline where I'm going to apply the lace glue at. So after that, I applied my wig and I'm just making sure that everything is laying the way I want it to. So now I'm just taking my eyebrow pencil and I'm just going to apply some mark. It's basically a guide for me, letting me know not to apply any lace glue past this mark. So today I'm going to be using my MeltDown Extreme Lace Glue, and all I'm doing is applying it to one side, and then I'm going to take my popsicle stick and I'm just going to smooth that side down. And y'all, I didn't do like the ball cap method or anything like that. All I did was apply the stocking cap, pushed it back. So once I applied the glue and I spread it out with my popsicle stick, I'm just going to like let it dry and get like a little tacky. Once it's tacky, that's when you know you're ready to lay down your lace. If it spring back to you, then that means it's not dry yet. So yeah, I'm just taking my comb and I'm just making sure that it's tacky. So now I'm just taking my eyebrow archer and I'm just going to cut my lace. I love using this to cut my lace. And then I'm going to take some more sea breeze and I'm just going to clean up any of that eyeliner that I may have left. So y'all know I love me some baby hair. So all I did was section off a little bit of hair in the front, and I just took my razor and just cut me a few baby hair in the front. And then I'm just taking some setting lotion, applying it, swooping my baby hair, and then I'm just going to wrap it up and let it set. Okay, so this is how I look after I finished my makeup. I just took the wrap off and I'm just going to bump it just a little bit. And as you can see, that side is a little bit too long. I don't want anything flipping on my shoulders. So all I'm going to do is just take some scissors and start cutting downwards in that angle. And yeah, I like it like that. Also, I wanted to show you guys the back. Like, this is what I was talking about. I really didn't want like a whole bunch of layers. I just wanted to be able to curl it like this and go on by my business, child. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not a professional or nothing. I just wanted to show you guys what I did to achieve this color, and let me know if anybody try it. I want to see how yours turn out. And yeah, see you dolls next time. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe, all that good stuff.